what is a newsletter? It's all in the name. A newsletter is a document organizations send out to their mailing lists to share the latest news. They're usually sent out on a regular schedule, like once a month or every quarter. A lot of businesses still send out physical copies, but as time goes on, electronic newsletters have become more common. I don't doubt you've gotten a few of these over the years in your email inbox. As mentioned before, they cover the latest organization news. That includes everything from company changes and new products to case studies and giveaways. If it's relevant to the organization and its readers, it can fit in a newsletter. Have you ever thought about making a newsletter yourself? Here's how you can make one that people will read without spending too much of your time on design. The key is a newsletter template. The ones found on Envato Elements are your best bet. They have trendy designs that are nice to look at and are very easy to work with. All you'll need to do is find a template you like, drop in your information, and get it ready to be sent out. Easy, right? Plus, with a subscription to Envato Elements, you can use any of these templates, plus fonts and photos from the full asset library. If you're looking to dive even deeper into newsletters, head to the description below. There you'll find helpful resources and a link to the template featured here. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more.